Hello everyone, the topic of our presentation is solving data mining problem through data structures. Consider a scenario. Shopping center use association rule to place the item next of each other so that user can buy more items. Hence, in today's presentation, we would explore some ways to organize the item in a shelf by using simple data structures. The table shows the 5 transactions in a market. Customer 1 purchase mango, onion, Nintendo, keychain, egg and yo-yo. The assumption we would follow here is that an item will be considered frequent if its frequency is at least 3. For simplicity in understanding, let us rename the items like mango by M, onion by O and so on. So the table becomes like this. Step 1. Firstly find all the unique elements from the dataset and then compute its frequency. Here O occurs 4 times but it appears only in 3 transactions T1, T2 and T5. So we correct 4 by 3. Step 2. Now apply the assumption by removing all the elements which occur less than 3 times. So we could consider M, O, K, E, Y and rest all are discarded. Step 3. Make possible pairs from the obtained data. Now count the frequency of each item pair. Here MO appears in the transaction T1, so its frequency will be 1. MK occurs in transaction T1, T3 and T4, so its frequency will be 3. Similarly, frequency for each item pair will be calculated. Step 5. Apply the assumption of discarding elements with less than 3 frequency. Thus, we will get these items. Step 6. Now again make the pairs and get the frequency. Step 7. Apply the assumption by discarding element with the frequency less than 3. So we get OKE as the final frequently together purchased item. Onion, keychain, egg are the most frequently together purchased items. Second method. Find the unique item and occurrences of each item. Step 2. Now sort the items according to their occurrences. Step 3. Now apply the assumption by selecting item which occurred at least 3 times. Step 4. Select an item with the highest occurrences at level 0 and lower occurrences at lower levels in a tree. So we select an item K. It appears in the transaction T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. So its count is 5. Now we select the next elements O and E that have lower occurrences than K in the next level. O occurs in the transaction T1, T2 and T5, so its count will be 3. E appears in the transaction T1, T2, T3 and T5, so its count will be 4. Now we select the next lower elements which is M and Y at the level 2. We have to search M in these transactions only, T1, T2 and T5. We need not to search in the entire transactions. M appears in T1, so its count will be 1. Y appears in T1 and T2, so its count will be 2. M appears in T1 and T3, so its count will be 2. Y appears in T1 and T2, so its count will be 2. As per our constraint, we have to select only those elements that have occurrences higher than 3. So we discard all these elements at the level 2 and We select the elements at the level 0 and 1. In order to get the result, what we did, we take the common transactions at the level 1, that is T1, T2 and T5, and the count will be 3. We satisfy our condition, so the selected item will be K, O and E. Onion, keychain, egg are the most frequently together purchased items. Thank you.